I feel, for me, the issue is more and more about authenticity. And there are a lot of things that I kind of want to do, wish I could do Jewishly, and I can't. It's, you know, it's like showing up for, was it Saturday school, Sunday school? And it's Purim and you don't even know. It has to be something I know. And I know there are many people who speak disparagingly of kitchen Jews. That's what's authentic for me. So Yelena knows from making challah. She really knows. And she knows from hamantaschen, and she knows from pot roast. And every year, every year on Erev Rosh Hashanah, I get a call from my oldest niece who wants to cook. She's a young adult. She just finished college. And while she was in college and now she's on her own, she wants to cook. And whenever she wants to cook Jewish. And when she wants to cook Jewish, she calls me. So, and it's very funny because it's not like she couldn't write down the recipe, but every year she wants to know, how do you make pot roast? So I walk her through, well, do you want to make pot roast the way Grandma made it? You want to make pot roast the way Miriam made it? There are two different ways that I make it. One I call brisket, one I call pot roast. I describe them and I walk her through. And my husband has a very, very, very strong feeling about kugel. He does not like lakshan kugel, but a potato kugel, he loves a potato kugel. So that's what I can reach with the greatest authenticity. That's what's true. And it's not without depth. It's really not.